Hi everyone, you're watching 365 Data Use Cases, a really cool initiative by 365 Data Science. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm Bernard Marr, and in this video I want to share with you one of my favorite data use cases. If you want to see any more use cases, check out my YouTube channel where you can find hundreds of articles on data science and how companies use data and AI. So my favorite use case is using real-time data and streaming data and using it for machine vision in particular. So this is a company called Cermaq. They are a Norwegian salmon fishing company. And so it's a very traditional business that now uses machine vision, streaming data, 5G. So what they're doing is they're growing these salmons in these sea pens out in the sea. They've now connected them via 5G to their cloud servers. Inside the sea pens, they're using cameras and sensors to monitor the fish, whether they're developing any diseases. And this was really difficult in the past because you had to basically take a few out, check them. Now you can monitor them 24 hours a day using really good cameras to spot even tiny little algae on the fish. The other thing they're doing is they're trying to make the operation better. So they are automating it using machine vision, and what they're now doing is they're using face recognition for salmon. So because in the past salmons didn't grow in equal sizes, so sometimes the weaker ones would stay smaller, the stronger ones that get all the food get bigger. So they are now automating it. So they're issuing food pallets only to the ones that they recognize on the camera and that they have not eaten before. So if a really strong salmon turns up and who's already eaten, you don't get food. If the weaker ones come up, they get food. It also means that they can now automatically take the ones that are big enough out into a separate pen. They can now automatically take someone that is developing a disease out. So this makes this whole process better. And for me, a great example, machine vision, 5G, streaming data, cloud computing, to really drive the performance of even one of the most traditional businesses. So hopefully that was useful. As I said, check out my own YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe to this one if you want to learn more about data use cases.